Well, howdy players. Check me out. I've had this sitting in the refrigerator. Oh boy, that sure smells good. What I did, I took a little bit of brown sugar in a bowl, added salt, paprika, black pepper, cumano, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little cayenne, along with a little celery salt. Oh, that's kicking up. Smelling gooder. Let me show you my main setup. We like our beer and barbecue in down under I-10. Got this here old worn out ass green pan. Turn this fire on. I've already got it sit how I like it. I got it sit how I like it. We'll go ahead on and put got some hickory wood chips. Get your handful like that and go boom. And then stick it up over the fire. Like that. It'll cut up and raise hell. That's the name of the tune, Down Under. Down under Dog River. South Alabama, baby. Look at this crybaby dog over here. Look at that crybaby. Hey, puppy dog. Yeah, you take it, sweetie pie. That's my sweetie pie, yeah. Hey, sweetie pie. They want some of that good stuff too. And now, unfortunately, I've got to repair my lawnmower. The grass has done come up, so I've got a little work I've got to do on it. Okay, cut! Alrighty then, it's been several hours since our last video. The temperature is running about 375 up the top. Let us see here what to do here now. Yeah, come on, right, mother humper. Haha, look at that. Look at that, the bone coming out of it. Check the internal temperature. The infernal, it goes in pretty easy. Let's see what she's running. Yes, sir. Is this thing recording and the battery's fixing to fucking die? I've had a few of these. Looking like about 180 to me. I think it's kosher. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the fire off. Amazing how that stayed at around 375 once it got up to temp. Isn't it? Oh yeah, slide him back in, shut him back up. Oh yeah, the Cajun smoker has done its thing. I'm gonna just let it sit there till it cools down and smoke. We'll have us a pulled pork sandwich. Yes sir. They're getting some stimulating furniture next door. It's all that damn noise. Pawpaw got him some stimulating beer. Ooh, Keystone. Cut! Some of this here cabbage stew. had a little bit of white pepper in it and made it so nice. Oh yeah. How you like me now?